Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Awareness, Simplicity and Divine Flow. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. July 10, 2020. Volunteers and light beings are very clear on being aware of truth and simplicity leading to the flow or the reality we understand to attain enlightenment. Joy, happiness and laughter are all simple acts that allow you to enjoy a higher vibrational frequency. Reader's Digest 6 decades ago has a continuing column on laughter, the best medicine, and many similar anecdotal laughter columns unknowingly at that period and instance provide avenues to a high vibration. The editors must be psychic. Action is very necessary as you trust your intuition in making decisions guided by love, the root of the divine flow. You can have all the plans in the world but without real action nothing happens with this process eliminating judgment and doubt in your decisions. You cannot have your cake, eat it and doing nothing. Acting and deciding to go out laugh and enjoy with like positive and righteous people are simple acts you can have, to feel and experience high vibration. Engage simplicity, get aware, go within, and focus all your activities on the shift or ascension. Thereby your ascension and truth emerge, the Creator's truth we all have been aspiring for, expressed through us, the real meaning of enlightenment. Embody it, align your soul with the Creator's soul, then simplicity and enlightenment emerge at every now moment. Humanity's simplified information exchange is nearing high technology on electronics communications engineering. Lately Elon Musk launched 500 with planned 30,000 satellites on space for easy internet/communication highways allowing all of us to inform the world of our ideas instantly. We reach the prospects we desire, learn, educate as fast as we can, and distribute to our markets the ideas or products we want introduced or sold, creating billionaires in this process unknown in human history. Space technology is next as we unleash the use of gravity for energy hidden for decades, blanketed by the fossil fuel industry. The billion-dollar contributions to the computer, communication schools of technology and research on cancer and infectious diseases increase technology use of their inventions. Definitely more return of investments for the elite. We make obsolescence of many illusions and beliefs. Before that is magic. See, I have moving pictures in my palm, talk with people around the world through cell phones unimaginable a century before. This is only a step in the ladder of real technology, as if it is not aligned with the Creator it loses its power and magic despite the billions of economic human gains we had on communications and flying technologies. The secret then is an alignment with the Creator. Or what we kept on saying, we are expressions of the Creator who empowers and supports us in physical form, and align us with truth. Connect our light with all aspects of the Creator's soul, thence completeness and oneness with Source follows. With simplicity you trust in yourself, you trust in your abilities, therefore judgment and doubt dissolve. This makes it far easier to create what is guided through you. Simplicity is the art of the flow of the Creator. Arcturians, and Glasson. The cosmic energies of Source are poured on us, permeating every cell of our being. And with these energies you are fully assisted to explore within and without and find light, love, joy and laughter, allowing us to create a new earth of love and unity of one collective humanity. AJR. For unity consciousness for decades I walk and move with the colors of light, love, unity and laughter, and I have created in my astral world a beautiful earth of love, peace and nature with graphite and abundance as my materials. Co-create your vision as we transfer to the fifth dimension. We are a collective humanity, that is truth. What being aware and simplicity is all about. It is simple as going within ourselves in peace and quiet, knowing you are an expression of Source. The significant part of co-creation of a new world, and that is integration, is ascension. Light, love and truth from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East and organized corporations that create jobs. Link at ornedoja@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.